Yep, hold on. Boop. Alright, we're checking out the mods. Bless you. You okay? That was awesome. Oh, we have to sign in.
Do you have a Bethesda net thing?
Hell no.
Oh. I don't. Okay.
Oh, never mind. We're not checking out
the try.
It was worth a shot. We are but maggots. We are
You did not see anything.
What if you attack him?
It's okay. He's just Heimsker.
Does he get arrested ever?
No, but nobody likes him.
People are listening to him.
Yeah, because he's annoying. It's okay, don't worry about it. You know what? I'm okay.
No, the guards are attacking you.
No, you're okay. It's okay!
Why would you do that? Now you have a bounty.
I can just go back to the last...
No, it's fine. Just avoid the guards.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. What do you say in your defense?
What say you in your defense?
Just take me to jail. I'll show you what jail's like.
Nice. We're learning new things. I would have just paid him.
Nah.
Wait, did you get your stuff back?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like the game.
What you can do is I'm just gonna save in here. So you can either just wait out your time, or you can try and sneak around like this. But I don't know where to get. There we go.
Wait, why did they let you keep your lockpicks?
I don't know.
A little bit more to the left.
Damn it. Okay, so then you just gotta keep redoing that.
It's a novice one, isn't it?
Yeah. Should be easy to crack.
What happens if you escape and they catch you?
Nothing. I don't think. I'm not really sure.
You've never been caught, have you?
No.
More to the left.
Yes. Buddy, come with me.
Is he dead?
No, he's just really drunk. No, he's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. That would have woke him up.
Let's go, bud.
Oh no, don't let him. No, he's naked. Put him down.
I tried. Okay, I don't know where our stuff is.
Well, you might want to start by going the right way.
Yeah, that would probably help.
Is there any good loot under here, or is it just all useless?
No, it's just all useless. It's just...
I mean, clearly something tried to escape.
You got skeever tail.
Is that a good thing?
Oh, it's horrible. Nobody likes skeever tail. Okay.
It should be in your favor.
No, it's not. But I'll put it in my favorite.
This place is a freaking maze.
Huh?
This place is a freaking maze.
Yeah. I should probably not be holding a torch. I'm gonna try and be stealthy.
What's through the other door?
That's an expert lock. You need to get the skeleton key to really do everything in here.
Do it quickly. They're coming to you.
I want to see what happens. What will they do?
They can't even get in, can they? What? Can they even get in here?
Yeah, they come out through there, I'm pretty sure.
Maybe you should take your stuff and run.
Or take it and fight them. We can just go back. Because okay, well, that was worth a try.
I think you have another lockpick.
No, I don't.
Try.
I don't.
Wait, you could steal something though.
What?
There was something you could steal.
Yeah, it's just a sack. There's probably just like potatoes in it or something. Oh! Hey there, bud!
How'd they get down here?
No clue! Bye! Okay, no, I'm gonna go back because I want my stuff.
What?
Oh no, wait, don't go there.
So yeah, you should probably
Take
just...
me to church.
I'm gonna sleep and wait out our time. Sleeping in the bed implies a rested bonus. Sleeping in bed, in a bed you only supply as the well rested.
Ow.
That doesn't make sense.
Help me.
You ticklish anymore?
Let me ask you something.
Dun 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 dun.
Claire sent me a boost.
Yeah, go Claire.
What's the... Oh.
Why is that so funny?
Yeah, Mr. Krabs.
There's my dragon release.
Yeah, Mr.
Oh
Krabs.
yeah, Mr.
I just want to go home. Why can't I? Can I enter this house without the guards noticing?
Say hi to Uniform.
Hey! Can I talk to you real quick? How did Dark Elf come to? Yeah, okay. Nice. Good for you.
You're just like, hi!
Gotta get more time on my PC. Mom, Dad, I totally don't know the password to my parental controls. Shh. That's awesome. I love knowing the password. I'm gonna go kill somebody. I wanna kill somebody real bad. I wish I knew how to edit me getting over to the place, but you know, I'm too much of a retard, so we're gonna walk.
Claire says hi.
Hi, Claire.
Clar.
Clar. Is she a leprechaun?
Mm-hmm. Claire's secretly a leprechaun.
I knew it.
Just like you.
I'm not a leprechaun, I'm a djinn.
Wait, shut up. Oh wait, dang it, that's not what I said. I was trying to do the voice control thing for Google. Does Skyrim Special Edition come with all the DLCs? I'm just...
According to Gotta Be Mobile, PC is the same platform as previous version. Xbox One is a new platform. The Skyrim remaster will also come with all of the DLC add-ons Bethesda released after the game's arrival.
Awesome! You have all the DLCs too.
I do? Is that why this game cost me $60? Hup. Dun 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 dun.
We should all hang out, don't we?
We should, that'd be fun. You know what I'm gonna do, Vance? That didn't work.
What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I can get you a crossbow.
Vance,
And I can turn you into a vampire.
Vance, I screwed something up. What happened?
I can also turn you into a werewolf. Wait, what'd you do?
I'm activating my hunting bow.
Take me to church, child.
Because I'm attacking the bandits camp.
God, I gotta show you this post. It's so... God. Ew! They've corrupted these children! I'd rather die, you stupid. Now take out your sword and wreck him. Wreck that hoe.
Common courtesy.
Wow, that piece is really deep. No, oh shit.
I'm sorry, thief, but
No, but look at this. Bathe him in holy water.
when he gives you his diamond pickaxe, whoa! Those kids are a little young.
No, bathe them in holy water. They need to go to church.
What are you trying to say, Vance?
That those kids are too young to be gay. Being gay is a sin.
Okay, Mr. Catholic.
No, I'm not even Catholic. But I'm thinking of the 7 deadly sins, right?
Yeah.
And one of the other sins is gay.
Really?
No, I'm just thinking like.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
It was like whatever, wrath, greed, whatever all the other ones.
Hello, sir.
Envy. And then there's just gay.
You took an arrow to the head, sir.
It's okay. It's just an arrow. It's just an iron arrow.
Oh man, I'm gonna get screwed up out here. Just gonna keep doing that. It's a 2-hit kill. Come down from the ramparts, good sir. There you go. You're not a wuss. You're dead, but you're not a wuss.
Yeah.
You're dead, son. You're dead. You're done dead. You're dead. Who's next? I know there's another person in here.
Take me to
I
church.
found you. I don't even need what you have. I just want to kill you all because you're bandits. Am I racist because you're green?
This is beautiful.
Am I gonna get copyright strike for this one?
No.
What the freak?
I forgot my speaker, so I can't play any music.
Dude, this is gonna be a longer video. Bam, 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 bam.